If you've ever wanted to make it easier for your website visitors to grab files, like ebooks, PDFs, images, or even software, directly from your WordPress site, this tutorial is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to add a clean, clickable download button to any WordPress post or page using the block editor, also called Gutenberg. By the end, you'll be able to create a button that lets your viewers download any type of file with just one click, no matter what kind of content you're sharing. Let's get right into it. First, open up the post or page where you want your download button to appear. Once you're in the editor, you're going to add what's called a button block. Think of this like pasting a little signpost right onto your content, a signpost that tells your visitors, click here to get something useful. To do this, just click the plus button in Gutenberg to add a new block and search for button. Once you find it, click on it to drop the button right where you want it. Now we need to tell this button what it should do when someone clicks it. In the block settings or the button field itself, there's a spot to add a URL. This is where you paste the link to your downloadable file. Maybe it's a nifty checklist you made as a PDF, or perhaps it's a zip file full of helpful resources. Beforehand, you'll need to make sure your file is uploaded somewhere, like your media library. That's WordPress's built-in file storage. Once you've uploaded the file, just grab the direct URL by clicking on the file in your media library and copying the link. Head back to your button block and paste that URL right into the field. This is the magic step that connects your button to the actual file, so as soon as someone clicks, the file is ready to go, but we're not stopping there. Now let's make the button's text clear and inviting. You definitely don't want it to just say, click here, that leaves people guessing. Instead, make your link text super descriptive like download ebook, get PDF guide, or download software. This way, your visitors instantly know what they'll get and you avoid any confusion. Imagine you're walking down a hallway of closed doors. It's much more helpful if a sign spells out exactly what's behind each one. Here's a handy tip. By default, when people click links to things like PDFs or images, their browser might just open the file in a new tab instead of actually downloading it. That's fine sometimes, but if you want to make sure your visitors actually get a file saved to their device, especially with PDFs, images, or zip files, there's a small adjustment you can make. If you're comfortable poking around in code, switch to the code editor and manually add the download attribute inside your button's link tag. This little attribute tells the browser. Skip the preview, just download this file now. Not comfortable with code? No problem. There are plenty of WordPress plugins out there like Easy Digital Downloads or Download Monitor that can handle this for you with just a few clicks. And that's it, you've just added a sharp-looking, user-friendly download button to your WordPress page, giving your visitors a frictionless way to get the resources you offer. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what types of files you're sharing on your site, or if you ran into any tricky spots, I'd be happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides to WordPress and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.